Good job, my darling.
Oops. Sorry about that.
And what are you doing?
I'm filling up this bird feeder. And the floor. Sorry.
You can.
Latte,
You
you
can
like-
clean it up.
You like bird seed latte? Perfect.
Good job.
Thank you. That's it.
Yeah, you have to hang it up outside.
Keep waiting. Where are we putting it at? I don't know if that lid's gonna take it.
Yeah, you can hang it up there.
Can you hold this?
Sure.
Or maybe is it? I don't know if this lid's gonna take it.
I think it can. I think it's strong enough.
I don't think so.
Latte, what are you trying to do?
We're gonna have to find a different spot.
Okay. I don't know where you want to try over there. Yeah, we can try. Let's
Try
go
over where?
over there.
No, that doesn't stick out for me.
So where are you putting it?
I have no idea. Just gonna hold it out here.
Put it on Latte's tail.
That's it.
Are you sure?
Yep. What happened?
Latte, go grab it, Latte. That's actually perfect there because there's a pool for the birds. And they have the feeder. Good job. What about you, Latte? What did you do? It's like, I want to drink water.
What?
I want to drink water. Oh, he's drinking latte.
Hey, Latte, come on. There's water inside, bud. You don't want that water.
It's like, I want the water. Latte, that's dirty. That's dirty water. Hey. Latte. 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 Latte.